Do you have a place in your house that you would love to put a lamp, but there is no outlet? Well, I got you covered today. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make a lamp into a working lamp without an outlet. In fact, you could use this little trick or hack on almost anything in your house. I mean, I say that very lightly, almost anything, but we'll play around with some ideas later on what you can turn into a lamp. So let's get started. I have these bookshelves right here that I would love to put a lamp in, but I have not been able to because I do not have an outlet that works. And I found the cutest lamp at TJ Maxx the other day. Here's the lamp. So this was $15. It had the cutest space and I love the scallop shade and it fits perfectly in here. Once again, I don't have an outlet in here. So I'm going to show you what I do to turn this lamp into a working lamp without the outlet or plugging it in. So let's just tuck this in here. I'm gonna hide that. Works perfectly right there. Enter the trick. So this is a rechargeable battery operated light bulb. So you can recharge it and use it whenever. And it comes with a remote, which is super great. So you don't have to try to get your hands up in that lamp and turn it on. So we're going to plop this in here. It's a little tight, so I have to move it around. We have it perfectly. And then I'm over at the couch and I'm going to turn it on and have the perfect cozy little space right here with this working lamp. So let's go around my house. Let me find other items that I can easily turn into a lamp using this easy hack. Okay, we have this super cute candlestick. We have this super cute, which I need to take off, lampshade. Really, you put these two together, that just sits right on there. Do you see how that is? If you want to do like a magnet or something so it stays on, the better. This is actually magnetic. Goes in perfectly. Off. Okay, let's go decorate with this one. Okay, I did almost say let's turn almost anything into lamps. So I love this. I was actually going to do it like this. You could get away with doing the same thing. Probably need a bigger shade. Nope, that actually worked really good. Put the light in it and boom. All right, another option would be to do that. That would look so cute too. Add the light. Done. Another cute option. This is a bowl, but it would be like that, with the lampshade on it. Maybe not this lampshade. I definitely would pick a different one. That green one might have been pretty cute on it. Okay, we have another option here. This crock that is broken. This would be perfect since this something, I would do a bigger one, would fit on that as long as the light. So